Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. I have a great news for you. If you own a digital die cut machine like a cricut or the broader scan and cut, any digital die cut machine which can read the SVG file, I have a free pattern for you. I just finished this design. It's called the Asian fans, and I have launched a few of the video to share with all my viewers and customers how to use those digital image. The AI and the digital have been taking a big part of the crafting world, and I started those pattern. I really want all my customer and viewers to give it a try. Instead of making the square or rectangular card, let's try something different. So it's not about the saving the money, you don't have to buy the card anymore. It's about the processing, and I really enjoy when I assembling every single card. So this is one of the cards, and then I have created a lot of video to share with you guys step by step since you download this file and how to upload it to your digital machine, I mean the program. So if you have any question, and I would love to hear from you, and then just send me an email or leave me a comment, let me know. I will definitely focus on your question, and I will do my best to provide the answer to you. I know a lot of you guys is like old school and say, oh, we don't want to touch the digital stuff. But I think once when you learn how to operate this machine, you are going to be very happy with it. First of all, you can save a lot of money, and then you can use what you already have and give your old stamps, rubber stamp, a new life. So this is the newest image that I have created, and then every folder, every pattern you download, they all have like a 2D one, and then they have a 3D one. And those 3D cards are awesome because you can completely flatten it, and then you can just mail it like this. Okay, so this is the pattern for you, free to download. I will put the link below. All I ask is if you download it, you try it, I really want to hear the feedback from you, because I'm still in the early stage, try to figure out what is the best way to introduce those digital patterns to all my viewers and my customers. So it'd be very appreciated if you can let me know. So this is one of them, and this pattern is absolutely free. You do have to click the purchase, but the balance is zero. You don't have to enter your credit card information, anything. So once when you complete the purchase, and then you will receive a order number, and then you will receive a link. And then once when you receive that link, and then you can click one of the video, it will show you how to download it and how to upload it. So if you have been follow my channel and follow Local Kings Facebook and the YouTube channel, you probably already see I have created a few different patterns. So this is just another example, is the Snowball. Okay, and then I use one of my stamp sets, called the Tinting Body. I created in 2015. And this one is one of my stamp set called the Asian Accent. I designed in 2010. And then I also use the background. And then this Pentagon 3D card, they all going to have a 2D and 3D. Once when you purchase the file, when you receive the folder, there is a 2D, there is 3D, there is all the information you need. Like I say, I'm still in the testing stage, and let me know if there anything I need to prove. I will be really appreciated. So this is the Pentagon one, and the seascape stamps. And then this one, again, I'm using the Asian accents. And then this is the 3D card. This is the 2D card. So this one is called the Asian circle. And I designed this one for my 6 circle design. So this is one of the elegant tail feather, the circle die cut. So the purpose the purpose of those digital stuff is I really trying my best to create something different, something new, and then one of the pattern, it costs less than a cup of coffee, and then it can definitely help you to using what you already have and they give a new life, and then that's my mission. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and remember, this digital pattern is free for download from today, August 22nd to August 31st. If you don't have the machine yet, you can still download it. Those digital images, once when you download it, you save on your file, your computer, your file, and it is yours. So even though you don't have the machine yet, you can just download for now, go to your friend's house if somebody have the machine, and then you can give it a try. So at this moment, I am more encouraging my customer. If you are thinking about to purchase a die cut machine, I will highly recommend to go with a cricut, because all my video I kind of use a cricut because I found out their design space is more friendly than the brother scan and cut. But if you own a brother scan and cut, leave me a comment, let me know, and then next time when I create a video, I will try to explain how to work on both machine. So quick cut or brother and scan and cut. But if you have a brother scan and cut, you definitely have to make sure that your machine are able to connect with the canvas, the canvas workspace. So that way you are able to use those SVG file. Okay, so we are not going to do anything about the printing yet, because I found out it can be more frustrated. Sometimes your printer doesn't work, sometimes the toner is not good enough, it's not working. So we are only going to focus on just the die cut part, and I promise you I will explain as detailed as I can if you let me know what's the problem, what's the issue, and then I will take the time explain everything you need to know. If you like to learn more basic about how to use those digital image, leave me a comment, let me know. And then I promise the information that I'm slowly introduce to you guys is enough to create something like that. You don't have to be a professional digital die cut machine user. You just want to learn what you need to know, and then so that way you can enjoy what I have been enjoying so much. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I still have another 6 patterns coming, and then give a try. This is absolutely free for you. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye guys.